What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Nissan Altima smart key remote fob. This Nissan Altima key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using is a flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key fob, the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down, and we take a look at the bottom of it, there's these two notches. There's one right here and one right here. What I'm going to do is put a screwdriver in either one of those notches. Make sure it's all the way pushed in, and then I'm just going to twist the screwdriver. And as I do that, you can see it starts to split it apart. I'll come over here and do the same thing. I'm just twisting this like that. And once you get it started, you can pull it the rest of the way apart with your hands like that. And in the back half of our case, we see our battery right here. Then I'm going to grab my screwdriver, and you can see in this plastic holder, there's a little cutout right here. You can get under the edge of the battery, get it out of that holder. Then I'll grab my new battery, and you want to make sure that you install your new battery with the plus side down. And this part with the metal piece, I'm going to kind of start that edge in first and then snap it down into place. And then we can snap the two halves back together. Then I'll grab my emergency key, slide that back in, and that's it.